Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today we are going to be exploring and trying the new Charlotte Tilbury Mini Eye Palette featured in the Nordstrom Anniversary sale. And as you can tell, this is an exclusive to Nordstrom. It is a small palette. Let's see, how many colors are we? Well, let's get it open and see how many colors we're getting in here. This palette is 0.19 ounces and sells for $55. Her 4-pan palettes are 0.18 ounces and sell for $53. So it's comparable, but we are actually getting 6 shades in this palette. And they are labeled 1, 2, and 2 sets of 3 for a day eye or a date eye. Let me show you the back of that. There. And let me swatch these both for you and for me. I haven't opened this yet. So first we're going to go for the day. And let's see how this comes out here. All right, so there is the day look, and that is a nice warm range of colors. And then for the date look, as one would expect, they're a little deeper. Oh, these look like really fabulous colors. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those colors. They're so pigmented, so rich. I kind of had a feeling when I saw this online that it was going to be right in my wheelhouse, and it is. So let me just clean up my fingers and my arms, and let's get into it. We will try out the day look, and so I am going to start. It says to use this shade for priming and applying that all over the eye. And I am going to just take a fluffy flat brush and pick that up and just apply it. I'm going to start down at my lash line. There is some shimmer to this. And so I really would rather have that down on the movable part of my lid and then just kind of work the rest of it up towards my brow. And it's taking a little bit of effort, but it is moving around. Okay, let's do that on the other side. Starting again down at the lash line and then working up. Maybe I picked up a little bit more on this side because that side seemed to go a little bit better. I'm just going to do a wee bit over here, even it up. Okay, then number 2 says enhance. And I'm going to guess that that means that Charlotte wants us to do it in our crease. Just take this is a MAC 221 small brush, pick up, and again this one also is a shimmer, and let's try that in the crease. Oh yes, that's nice. That's moving around nicely and is just, you know, sorry, it is good for daytime. It gives you some depth without being too dramatic. Now I'm thinking though, with both of these being shimmer, if you don't like shimmer so much, that might be a problem, or you might choose to use this palette in a different way, because both of these colors would be really lovely on the movable part of the lid. And the last color, which is the one matte here, is what we'll go into next. And I've got kind of a tight pointy brush here. And so I'm going to pick that up and do it along my lash line. Oh, that's a really lovely terracotta color. Go in under my eyes. I'm going to build that up a little bit more on the outer corner here. Just kind of filling in that outer V. And let's do the same on this side. So along my lash line, really only the outer half to 2/3, because there is so little of the movable part of my lid that shows when my eyes are open. I don't want to obliterate that first shimmer that we put down. Okay, coloring in that V. And then going back under the eye. Let me get my hair out of my way here so I can see. Okay, and then let's blend. So smudging that, blending it. Oh, that's lovely. Beautiful colors here, beautiful colors. Now the one thing that I do want to do, I am gonna go take this color from the nighttime, and I'm just a angle brush here, and I'm picking that up, and I am going to go right in and try to literally just smudge this in my lashes to give me a little more definition there without taking up any room. And actually in the inner corner of my eye, I'm going underneath the lashes. There, you can see the difference, this eye versus this eye. Just have a little more definition there. It really is a nice effect. And I will admit that I stole that from Wayne Goss. He did a great little video on his channel on doing this. And of course, you can use a black shadow, a charcoal shadow. This is the darkest color in this palette, so that's what I'm using. And it is giving me the desired effect. And I would like a little more definition under my eyes as well. So again, I am just working really close to the lashes and into the corner there. See, just got a little bit more depth and definition on this eye. So let's go ahead and finish this side. All right. So I'm going to pop off camera, finish my mascara, and I'll be right back. And there's the final look. I did my lashes with the Estee Lauder little black primer and used Tarte's Lights Camera lashes. I gotta say, I really like this palette. I think if you like warm colors, this is a really lovely collection. It's a great travel size. It gives you flexibility for day and night. So, thumbs up, Charlotte Tilbury and Nordstrom. Thank you so much for joining me. I post every Monday and Thursday. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for joining me and have a really fantastic day.